Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my video lesson. In this video I'll try to cover a particular type of IELTS writing essay, and we're gonna cover discussion type today. Discussion type is divided into two categories, and number one, discuss two opinions and give your own opinion. The other type is discuss two opinions, just it missed the second part. A lot of students misunderstand this type of essay, and when they are given the first category, they just try to discuss the two opinions, two views that have already been provided, and they do not usually write their own opinion. And this is a very big mistake, because if you don't write your opinion in this type of essay, you will lose your marks for task achievement. And the other type is you just simply need to explain the two opinions that you are provided with, and then that's it. You don't have to give your own opinion. Actually, you must not give your own opinion. So this is an example. Some people believe that studying at university or college is the best route to a successful career, while others believe that it is better to get a job straight after school. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Alright, this is the first category that we are going to cover. And later I will explain what are the difference between the first and the second one in next videos. But for now, I'm just going to talk about the structure of discussion type essay. Well, basically all types of IELTS essays are written according to one structure. Like generally they are written in the same way. The only difference that you may feel is in the introduction and in the conclusion. So in introduction, I usually recommend my students to write 2 sentences, but it's okay if you want to write 3 sentences. And if you want to write 3 sentences, the first sentence would be just general topic. Like you just have to talk something general about the topic. It will be like heading, and then you should introduce the topic just like this. For example, some people believe that starting at university, you have to paraphrase this one. Introduce the topic means paraphrasing this topic. And general topic, general sentence is totally different thing. I will explain them all later in our further videos. And then you have to answer the question. Like you have to give your thesis. Thesis is what you stand for, what your opinion is. Here, for thesis, you have to answer this one. Like a lot of students might say, in this essay below, I will discuss both views and give my own opinion. But this is not a really good way of giving thesis. I do not recommend writing, I will explain, I will discuss both views and give my own opinion. No, I don't recommend this type of this way of writing. I will explain how to write introduction in our next videos. Like I'm telling that I'm gonna do a lot of things in next videos, right? But in one short video I can't cover everything. That's why I hope you understand. So in introduction you have to write 30 to 50 words, and generally I write 2 sentences. And then we need to move on to the body. Usually I write only 2 body paragraphs, but sometimes it depends on the question type. You may write 3 body paragraphs, but this is not really necessary, because you can take a normal band score by just simply writing 2 body paragraphs, and most people usually write only 2 paragraphs. So in first paragraph, body paragraph, you need to explain the first opinion. like this one. People believe studying at university and college is the best way to successful career. In your first body paragraph, you have to describe that thing. And in the second one, you need to talk about other people's opinion. And then in the third paragraph, you need to give your own opinion. But if you want, you can talk about the first opinion, and in the body paragraph 2, you can talk about the second opinion. And if this opinion is, if you think alike with this opinion, if you agree with this opinion, you might include your own opinion in the second body paragraph. You don't need the third body paragraph. And again, I will explain how to do this in our later videos. And in you have to write 100 words per body paragraph. And as for conclusion, I usually recommend writing only one sentence, because conclusion should be short. It's like you are concluding everything, and then that's why it should be short. Like you can't write a long conclusion. No, like conclusion should be short, exact, precise. That's why I recommend writing only one sentence, but this sentence should be like complex sentence. And complex sentence means like it includes two clauses, two sentences. So you need to combine two sentences by using some linking word. So only one sentence is enough, and like 30 to 40 words. Overall, you will have like 270 to 180 words in your essay. Just to remember, you have to write at least 250 words, at least. So there is the limit for the least number of words, but there is no limit for at most. The IELTS doesn't say at most write 300 words. No. So that means you can write, if you want, 400, 350, it doesn't matter. Well, there are a lot of types of essays. We are talking about discussion, and here there is another type of discussion essays too. Like we have been talking about discuss both views and give your own opinion. I'm sorry, this is like opinion, type of mistake. Another type is advantages and disadvantages. For example, you might come across what are the advantages and disadvantages of this blah blah blah, or do advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages. All these are in discussion type. Like you write in the same structure like this. The other types is like problem solution or cause effect, or you will be given the mixed, for example, problem and effect, or solution, like cause and solution, or problem and cause. Usually you will be given the mixed. We will cover this type later. And then the other one is agree and disagree. This type is called argument essay. Why argument? Because you need to give your argument. You need to give your own opinion. Whether you agree or disagree, you need to give your strong belief about the topic. You can write balanced, like both agree and disagree, or you can just opt for one side, like I totally agree, or you can say I totally disagree. And the other type, which is included in argument, is it positive or a negative development? So these two are the same, like this. And the last one, two-part question, or we can also say like double question. Two types of essay questions are included in this type of essay. For example, you'll be given like problem solution, discuss, and then you need to give some solution for the problem, or like the problem will be given and the solution will be given, and then the examiner is asking you whether you agree or disagree. So basically, when this type of question is given, usually two types of the other types will be included. I hope I made myself clear. Yeah, it's a little bit complicated, but stay tuned. I'll try to cover all types of essay, IELTS essay writing. So that's it for now. Thank you for your attention.